What's up guys, thank you for watching JG Tech Blog. For today's video, we're going to be talking about the rebranding of Metro PCS. If you haven't already heard, T-Mobile rebranded Metro PCS to Metro by T-Mobile. So what I'm going to be talking about in this video, what those changes are, how it affects you as a consumer, and what's the reason T-Mobile is actually rebranding Metro PCS. The biggest thing this rebranding did was change the logo and the name of Metro PCS. Starting October 8th, you'll start seeing some changes across the nation. A lot of commercials, of course, is going to be happening. I guarantee T-Mobile is going to start marketing this left and right wherever they can. They want people to now recognize that Metro PCS is owned by T-Mobile. So that's the first biggest thing. Second thing is that the plans. So now with the $50 plan, you now get unlimited data with 5 gigabytes of LTE hotspot plus Google One. What that is a cloud service allowing you to save all your data to the cloud and backing up your phone. So if you didn't have a lot of memory on your phone, you can just now back it up to Google One and it gives you unlimited space. Now with the $60 plan, it gives you unlimited data and 15 gigs of LTE hotspot. But what's amazing is that in addition to the Google One, they'll give you an Amazon Prime account. So if you aren't familiar with Amazon Prime, you get faster shipping, you get to watch Amazon Prime videos, streaming shows, movies, you name it. So you ask, what about the old plans? In regards to the $30 plan, you will only get 2 gigabytes of internet to use, and you can still use hotspot, but you will be using from your 2 gigs of LTE. In regards to the $40 plan, you will no longer have hotspot, but you have now, instead of 5 gigs on the old plan, you will now have 10 gigabytes of LTE data. So let's say now that you want to add some accounts. So for every additional line that you want to add, it will be $30. Whether you add it to your $30 plan, your $40 plan, your $50 plan, your $60 plan, you will just have to pay $30 on top for each additional line. So what that means is if you want 4 lines on the highest plan, all you have to pay is $150. You get unlimited speeds, 15 gigs of hotspot per line, plus the Google One and Amazon Prime. So all of these changes will take in effect coming October 8th. And all you have to do, you don't have to purchase a phone or do anything. You can just walk into a store and have your plan change. If you don't want to do anything, don't worry. For example, if you're on the 4 lines for 100, nothing will change. Those will stay the same. As long as you would like to change up, you can just walk into a store and ask them to change you up to the newer plans. In the conference, they mentioned that 5G was going to be coming to Metro PCS in 2019. I don't know if you guys recall, Metro PCS was the first carrier to have 4G LTE. So I won't be surprised if T-Mobile and Metro would be the first with 5G. Now, how does this affect you? Honestly, this is great. This is amazing news for you guys as consumers, as customers with Metro PCS. Without you guys doing anything, you're just getting better service. So if you're already on the $60 plan, you now have Amazon Prime. And if you had only 8 gigs or 10 gigs of hotspot, you now have 15 gigabytes of hotspot. So at the end of the day, this is a really good benefit to the customers. So why is T-Mobile doing this? So the point of this rebranding is to change the image of prepaid. So basically T-Mobile is trying to write the script again on how people view prepaid. People preserved prepaid as being ghetto for low income users that don't have good credit, can't afford those good phones, and has terrible service. So T-Mobile is now trying to change that image and basically portray to people like, hey, you know what? Our brand, T-Mobile, is going to give the blessing to Metro PCS. And so that's why they've added T-Mobile to the Metro PCS logo, to let people know that they have exactly the same service. This higher brand recognition of T-Mobile is also provided with Metro PCS. You get the same great service that you would get with T-Mobile. I personally think this is great. People actually didn't even know that T-Mobile bought Metro PCS back in 2013. And Metro PCS has been running on their towers ever since. I gotta mention though that they will congest lines, whether that's on T-Mobile or Metro PCS. So for those people that are using over 35 gigs a month, might see some reduced speeds due to prioritization. And this will only happen during congestion of the network. Another thing I want to bring up is distribution. Now that T-Mobile and Amazon is working together, I wonder if they're gonna start selling Metro PCS phones and service on Amazon. You never know. Or maybe they're going to start having them in Walmart, Target, across the nation, like they used to be previously. We'll wait and see. Also, another thing that I do recognize that they did stop selling phones on the websites. And I think this was the benefit for the dealers because they probably wanted the customers to have this interaction in the store and be able to see the phones, talk with the dealers and employees, and be able to have a better experience when buying phones from Metro PCS. Another great thing is if now T-Mobile and Metro PCS are going to be almost one brand, I hope in the long term that the phones that you see with T-Mobile will roll over to Metro PCS. Having said that, I did hear that the OnePlus 6T will be coming to T-Mobile soon, and if that comes to Metro PCS, that will be amazing. I'll be getting my hands on that phone as soon as possible to review it for you guys and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload that video. But then at the end of the day, I wonder what's the benefit for T-Mobile? If you have the same service and have the same phones at a cheaper price with Metro PCS, why would you still go to T-Mobile? I would like to hear from you guys, so let me know down in the comment section below. Would you go with Metro or T-Mobile if they did that? Alright guys, there you have it. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next one.